Hi guys, this is one question which is never ending. What is the solution for the reservation in India? So of course यार there no solution. मेरे को भी कमेंट्स में बहुत लोग डालते हैं कि सर ये कर दो, वो कर दो, ये कर दो. भाई हम लोग के बोलने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है जब तक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैव टू टेक सम एक्शन. वी कांट डू एनीथिंग. Fine, but I was looking at a solution from the MBA point of view, that what can be the solution for that. Now there is no solution for this. For example, Tamil Nadu claims that 75% of their population is OBC. In that case, having a quota for 25% OBC make no sense. Bihar, almost 60% is OBC. Same goes for Kerala, same goes for UP. All these four states claim more than 50% of the people are for OBC. Now, okay, now my problem is, or my question is, this 75%, most of them or some of them might not be interested in MBA. Then why we are considering those population who don't want to do MBA and fixing up a percentage of 25%? Let it change from area to area, na? Wherever they're applying. So my solution for this, my advice for this, please do comment on this. This is a very contentious topic. I should not be making a video on this, but okay, this is a sample of Maharashtra CET exam. Open category, number of applicants, almost 56% of the applicants are open. So 56% of the seats should be reserved for the open category. OBC is 20.53. So let's round it off. 21% seats should be reserved for OBC instead of 25. Today this is 50%. SC category is 12%. Jabki seats reserved from them are less than that. I think SC is 7.5%. So that should change to 12%. NT, ST, if I look at the ST data, ST is only 1.24%. So only 1.24% seat should be reserved for them. This should be done for every exam. MBA, engineering, MTech, any of the post-graduation exam, the category should be based not on a fixed number. Their school ho, college ho, medical ho, MBA ho, सबका एक percentage. Make no sense. Decide the percentage on the basis of number of applicants so that competition is optimized. Yeah, what do you say about that? कि जितना लोगों ने अप्लाई किया उतना परसेंटेज सीट कर दो. The total number of percentage seats in the college is suppose 100%, 100 seats, 56 open, 21 OBC, 12 SC, 2 NT, 2 SBC. So accordingly we can divide. Yeah. What do you think about this? Please do post in the comments. All the best.